So you are thinking about putting your home on the market and you want to make sure you're getting the best return on your investment. These tips should help. I know selling homes is second nature to me as I have been doing it for several years, but I often get nervous sellers all the time, and of course they should be, as it's a big deal if you decide to sell your home. So let's talk about curb appeal. It's important as it is the first impression that your buyer will see when they arrive at your home. The best thing that you can do is to rent a power washer or hire someone to come and do the power washing for you. Either way, you want to wash off the years of dirt off your driveway, your sidewalk, and your home. You also want to pay attention to the front door. As an agent, it takes a few seconds for me to open a lockbox, and that gives a chance to really look at your entryway while they're waiting to get in the home. Take a minute to make sure that there isn't any paint that's peeling off the doors or cobwebs around the lights. Next, make sure to work with your agent on staging your home. 77% of buyers agents say that staging a home makes it easier for buyers to visualize themselves living in it. And staging will help your home stand out against the competition by showcasing its very best features. Also, research says that professional staged homes can sell for as much as 10% more than homes that are not professionally staged. And the good news here at Homes by Rochelle, we actually include staging consultation as part of our service. Also, the marketing is essential. You're going to want to make sure that you get professional photos done and professional videos. According to the National Association of Realtors, 67% of buyers walk through a home that they saw online first. So professional photos and videos is an absolute must when preparing to sell your home. Lastly, now that your home is all ready for buyers, you must have a showing plan. Buyers and their agents may request a showing of your home at any time without giving much notice, so you have to be prepared. Until your home is under contract, it is important to be able to leave your home at a moment's notice if need be. A few things you can do is plan simpler meals for easy cleanup and make plans for some outdoor activities. Also, finding a place to put your pets during showing is a must. Maybe a family or a good friend could take care of them. These tips will help get your home sold faster and for the amount of money that you deserve. For more information, feel free to call us. I'm Rochelle Watkins with NavX Realty and Homes by Rochelle. Let's navigate home together.